炮手 Ready 三獅兵團細碎瓦，神情好輕鬆喎，又係㗎，世界盃外圍賽主場出擊，對手仲係世界排名123嘅摩爾多瓦，想緊張都難啦。英格蘭舊年外圍賽作客大勝5粒，今次雖然受傷兵影響，上周意外爆頭嘅前鋒朗尼踢唔到，後衛格連莊臣都退隊，好在英軍勝在人強馬壯，前線就有迪科爾，仲有喺國家隊頻頻試過嘅韋碧克啊。
Well, he's here. That's a positive. So hopefully, Danielson can, get over that knock. He played with it, I think. So fingers crossed it'll be okay for Friday and Tuesday.
今仗後防就有獲領隊學神力撐嘅克特把關，加上英足總賽前就話期望贏2022年嘅世界盃，為證明實力。英軍開讓球主客和減2實冇問題，一於捧主勝啦。